Very good morning, students. This is our new topic. That is project proposal or the formulation of project and the financial analysis of the project. As the course title of this course is entrepreneurship development and business communication. Getting so business communication, how you should behave or how you should communicate when you are in the phase of enterprising, we can say, or the how you should behave or the communicate with the rest of stakeholders when you are engaged in the business activity. And first segment of this course is the entrepreneurship development. Regarding entrepreneur, then its definitions, then entrepreneurship development, then its phases, entrepreneurship development processes are the theoretical understanding actually of the world or of the entrepreneurship, but this is quite the having the practical touch, because whenever you wanted to start any enterprise, you must needed to prepare the project proposal. Getting that means what your business will be and what its consequences, then benefit, what will be the cost, what will be the facility for the raw material, everything which is wanted to establish or to start the enterprise, that all comes under the project proposal. Okay, so very first, what is project proposal? So as I said just a moment ago, it is anything which is required for the establishment of a production project. Getting establishment of the any project or the might be it might be any marketing activity. Nowadays you will see, you might have heard Sahyadri Agro, getting in the Nashik. If anybody from you is from Nashik, then you might be knowing. And if everything gets settled, then definitely either in this semester or either in the next semester, we will definitely arrange one tour for you. Okay, actually, why I'm telling you, because this is actually a miracle for the farming community, because this is the company which is formed by the farmers for the development of the farmers. Getting so actually it is acting as an intermediary. Getting so just I'm telling about the Sahyadri farm. If you get chance, you can surf it on the internet. Getting so I was talking about the project proposal. So it is anything that is used for establishment of the any production project. It can be a from the agricultural point of view, poultry, sheep, and your goat, the nursery, mushroom project, or the dairy project, whatever that is are the from the agricultural point of view. But besides the agriculture, for every aspect, you need to prepare the project proposal. Even actually this is a precondition for getting the loan from the any nationalized or the uh, commercial bank. So it aims at getting the financial support from the sponsoring agency for commencing the project work. As I told, the project proposal report should be complete in the respect to satisfy the standard laid down by the sanctioning or sponsoring authority. See, if you request me, please sir, give me 1,000 rupee. How I will give you, or the why I should give you? Ready? Just because of, just forget the relation, whatever. But if any unknown person is demanding 1,000 rupees, then any financial institution or any individual will definitely think on, as I'm giving him the 1,000 rupees, but what is the guarantee that he will return my 100,000 rupees? Getting so actually the same phenomena is there in the financial institutions. Getting so that project proposal is telling, I wanted to start this and this enterprise, and from this enterprise, that much benefit I will get. That means I'm taking I'm taking the 10 rupees from you, and it will, if I start this business, it will return me around 25 or the 30 rupees. So it will be very easy for me to repay your 10 rupees. Getting? And sound project proposal is always gives these uh, guidelines, or these follow these guidelines, and any sanctioning or any financial authority wanted to have such projects. Okay, so regarding the inclusion part, as project proposal is there is definitely, but what should be its content? Okay, so project title first, descriptive title of your project, then name and place in which the project will be located. That means who is going to establish or start this project, that will be, and where it will be located, that will consider the project title. Then organization submitting the proposal, that means institution, if you are institute, state the full legal name and address of the organization, then registration details and registration number, then contact person, status, address, everything. That means whatever they needed. Then the content in the project report. First thing, general information about the project, then project description, actual project description, then market potential, how it will be its market, then capital cost and sources of finance. If, for example, if you wanted to purchase machineries, then who will be the financer, or either through the bank loan only you are going to purchase. Then assessment of working capital, then rest of financial aspects, then viability, we can say economic and social, and rest of part. So very first, general information. General information consists of biodata of the promoter. Biodata, that means the a clear understanding about the promoter. Actually, you might have seen a CRISIL. Yes, if you go to the any bank, then what bank actually check it. So your credit behavior, getting, so that means as like the Vijay Mallya, who is taking the 6,000 crores and he just went out. Okay, so to avoid such a conditions, such things, any bank, uh, mm, uh, what you can say, that the every individual bank prepared some, what you can say, your biodata actually. Getting, that means it will mention either you are a willful defaulter, how much credit you have taken from the other banks, what you are showing your income status, and whether that bank will cross verify and the counterpart actually, this person is having that much income, and he has taken this loan, so whether it is possible for him to repay the borrowed loan or no. Right? So that is all are concerned and they included in the CRISIL score. So actually that is the biodata part, name and address, then qualification, experience, capabilities. Getting, for example, he might have the 100 acre of land. Okay, and for mortgage he is keeping something else, or the he is having the very good income from the service, either lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, whatever. Getting, and in case of partners, provide the individual information, if it's a partnership company or what. Then industry profile, what will be? So data project which you have studied, analysis, for example, I have to start the dairy project, then analysis of the dairy project. Getting, so past performance, then present status, way it is organized. That means either it's a fully private or the in partnership, or whether it will be run through the NGOs, self-help group, whatever. And what are the present problems it facing. Then constitution and organization, registration details, because some businesses require the some uh, licensing procedure. Getting, so registration detail, then product detail, utility of the product, range of the product, whether it will be small one or either it will be a large one. Then product design, how it will be. Then actually it is applicable to agriculture too. Okay, then advantages of the proposed product over its substitutes. What are the present products are available in the market, and what will be the uh, advantages. Okay, then second part is a project description. So very first is a site, actual location. So you have to mention the location, then land, either it's own or leased one, then whether it's approved industrial area, because you might be knowing NA zone is there in the peri-urban areas. You will see, or if you wanted to what you can build your home, then it is must to have a NA land, non-agriculture land. Getting, some industrial R zones are there, green zones are there, government approved zones. Getting, so this area either it's approved industrial area or no. Then it is suitable to the type of enterprise plan. If the raw material availability is far away in Khandesh region, and you are starting your enterprise in the Konkan, how it is possible? It will take huge loss for you. For example, cashew business, getting, its production hub is in the Konkan, and if you are planning to establish that cashew business in the Vidarbha, how is it possible? So such kind of things. The open or covered area, no objection certificate from the agencies. Then physical infrastructure, what will be the raw material availability, sources, whether you are going to import it or no. Getting, and if some raw material requires some licensing procedure, whether you have done this process or no. Then regarding the labor availability, if it needed some skilled labor, then whether they are available or no. And if it is no, then alternate arrangement through the training. So what will be its arrangement? Then utilities, you can see the infrastructural facilities. So power, then what is actually the requirement? So whether you need to have the separate transformer, stability of the supply of power, prices at different consumption level, then fuel, then its availability, water, everything, a basic infrastructural facilities. Then nowadays the pollution is the new issue, because if your enterprise is doing too much population, then definitely objection will come from the people who are living in that area. So what is the arrangement of your pollution? You see, industries are having these CSR funds. Getting, CSR funds are there. So for that CSR funds, the company which is more polluting, it will uh, give the more emphasis on the environmental issues while delivering the CSR. Getting, and rest of the regarding the dumps, sewage system, sewage treatment plant, some chemical companies are there. It is not allowed to dump this water in the river or in any water source without treatment. Getting, so what will be that arrangement? Actually, if whatever I mentioned, if followed everything, then it will be a great one. But actually, we know our system. Then communication system. telephone, telex, internet, email, everything. Then transport facilities, distance, then potential means of transportation, what uh, transportation modes are there, then expected bottleneck, it might be mm, broken roads, it might be a problem in the rainy season, many problems are there. Then common facilities, machine shop, welding shop, electrical repair shop, as per the your nature of business. Then manufacturing process, your detail of production. Then capacity, what is approved capacity and what is the your actual one. Then technology selected, either it's up to date, getting. Then regarding the latest technologies, then results and know-how of the technology. Then quality control. You just visit any plant, you will find the quality control lab. Quality control, that means what? That these are the standards A, B, C. So whether our product is up to the mark or no. For that section or the for that reason, different section or the separate section is there for the quality testing lab and inspection. And rest of approved one, it might be ISI, Q, AgMark, getting. So you need to take care of this. Then market potential. Market potential, that means the for the any enterprise, production is simple one, but how to market this is the actually basic thing. So demand and supply, you have to show it this in kgs or in the tons. This is and this demand is there and actual supply is too less. Getting. So total in expected demand of the project, present supply position and gap up. Then what are the market prices? Getting. And what is your cost of production? So comparative statement. Then marketing strategy. What will be the strategy of for selling the product? Then so you must have the contact with a reputed supplier, a distributor. Then say whether your product is having the hindrance of the seasonality factor. Getting. So such fluctuations are there or no, you have to show. And if it is, then what is the alternate arrangement, either with the help of warehouses or the storage. Then transportation, as I covered. Capital cost, basic, land and building. Then as you started, plant and machinery cost, then installment cost, then like if it is needed to build some for what you can say, the staff rooms, getting. So for that sake you will get some you will need it, furniture, vehicles, getting. Then preliminary or the pre-operative expenses, then contingency and margin of the working capital. Because see, many unforeseen expenses are there. म्हणजे आपल्याकडे मराठी म्हणतात म्हणजे काय की घर पाहावं बांधून आणि लग्न पाहावं करून. काय ऍक्च्युली, because if you are looking at any enterprise roughly, then hardly you will get the idea that its cost will be dash. But as you started your work, then you will realize many unexpected expenses come out, and that will be the big headache. Okay, so these things you should keep in mind. Then present probable sources, owner's fund, loan, deposits, everything. Then rest of financial aspects, project profit and loss account. BC we can say, cost of production, allied cost, profit, what will be. So these are the financial aspect. Profitable ratio, return on investment. Then nowadays every firm is talking about the economic and social variables, that is called as abatement cost. Abatement cost, cost for controlling the environmental damage. So value of additional engineering and technology needed for treating the effluents and emissions. If such a uh, expected pollution is there, then you have to take care of this abatement. Even plastic, it is also causing the pollution. And rest of socio-economic benefits, if I start this enterprise in this area, then definitely it will generate the employment. It can give you a substitution for the import. It will increase your export. Then whatever the underdeveloped or the underused resources, local resources are there, that will be utilized, and rest of development of the area. Rest of details: acquisition, registration, bank, loan, construction of building, power connection. Actually, as you started your work, these will be the some steps: recruitment, training, ordering, procurement, and commercial production. That is actually the journey of production of any product. Getting? So that is all about the project proposal and the financial aspect. Okay, so I think we should stop here. In the next lecture we will start advertisement. Okay, thank you. And I hope you remember, I think in the last 3 weeks ago I had communicated that the student who come up with the best idea in anything, enterprise idea or the entrepreneurial idea, he will get some reward and award. Getting? So, and it is compulsory for all, so just keep it in mind. Thank you.